Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Wenger Footballer 32. And this is one of the discontinued Swiss Army knives by Wenger. And it's intended for soccer players, I assume? Well, or football players, I guess, depending upon where you live. So, this is a kind of a small, thin knife. Now, there's no scale tools on this one. And this is an 85mm knife, like the usual Wenger ones. And it has the normal large blade. And there's a kind of combi tool thing. It's like sort of a can opener, sort of a bottle opener thing, with a little screwdriver on it. And the thing that makes it a footballer is this contraption right here. Now, this is a cleat wrench and a scraper tip. And I had to look it up because I've never played soccer. But it's kind of interesting looking. Those of you that play soccer and or football, let me know in the comments if this kind of thing would actually be useful. I mean, it's interesting from just a Swiss Army knife standpoint. But I don't know how much of a... I mean, I don't have a reference for if it's useful or not. Anyway, kind of a simple little knife, but neat nonetheless. Anyway, if y'all have any suggestions or questions for any knives I should look for, or any questions about any knives, let me know in the comments. I'll include a link in the description to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page about this knife. There isn't really a comparable Victorinox knife for this one. I mean, there just isn't. Maybe, I mean, there's not one, so I really can't include a link for something that would be comparable that you could get nowadays. If you did want one of these, though, probably look on eBay. They might pop up at there every now and then. Shouldn't be too terribly expensive. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.